Okay, we have to add a volume group on it. So click on the volume group on the right hand side tab, and the volume group name is ACFS VG. Take the whole one and click add volume group. Okay, so we see that ACFS VG is being added right here. Now we have to create the volumes on it. So go with add volumes, and this is the space which is available. uh, we can create two volume groups on it, and you can see here we have this by 2, each gonna be this much size. Okay, so add the first volume on it, name it let's say ACFS Vol 1, and same ACFS Vol 1, and the size is going to be half, which we gave, and size cursor, create. Okay, so this first volume group has been created, and we can create another volume group on it, and click on add volumes, name is ACFS Vol 2, ACFS Vol 2, and remaining bytes. iSCSI create. Okay, so here we go. We have here the two volume groups. One is the ACFS Vol 1, the other one is ACFS Vol 2, fall under the volume group ACFS VG. Okay, now we have to go to iSCSI targets. Here you see that what we have to do here is we have to explain the first as a volume group dot the volume name. So we have ACFS as a volume group, and the volume name is here. We add this one. Okay, so the target is changed. Now you see that it's ACFS dot ACFS underscore vol 1. Now after that we have to go to the LUN mapping, and in this one we see our ACFS volume 1, which is right here. So we map, okay, LUN pass. So now the next step is we have to add this LUN to our access control list, and we want this one to be presented to our primary rack site, to rack 1 and rack 2. So access level allow, update. Okay, it's updated. So now same thing we have to do to add another target, which is our volume 2. So it's going to be 2 volume group dot volume name and add. Okay, It's changed to 2. Now LUN mapping. So this is our ACFS volume 2 right here. Go for map. Okay, so LUN pass access control list. We want this to be presented to our primary rack, rack1.localdomain.net. Update. Okay, so now we can test this connection that either it exists and it's working um, for our Oracle primary node. So we go and log on to our primary node here, connect as root, password provided. Okay, so ISCSI admin minus M sessions, but we don't see that our new targets which are being added are ACFS volume 1 and ACFS volume 2. It's not visible here. Do is to run a command to figure out that those two targets which we are added, it's actually visible on the server. So ISCSI admin minus M, and it's discovery minus T send targets minus P is NAS 1. Okay, so we found these two targets right here. So now what we have to do is actually we wrote a script here right here. So these are the two, which is the new discovery target which we have. So first we have to manually log on, and the second step to automatically letting him log on. So there are 2 steps more to go. If we take the first one, which is here, it is actually making it to be log on to that LUN device, and copy this one and paste it here. Okay, so successful this command, and second one as well. Copy. Okay, so it's successfully log on automatically. Copy, and okay, it will be allowed. So move to the next and the last one. Copy. Okay, it's allowed as well. So now we can reboot server. So okay, now I think this session is expired. We have to go and open a new session, which will be here, our primary rack node 1. Okay, so you simply have to type a command si admin m session. Okay, so it's automatically log on. We have our session one, which is this target is already discovered and it's logged on already and available, the other one as well. Thank you very much for watching this video.